Today for my procedure I am going to be making lemon ricotta donuts. Ingredients: 1 cup of self-raising flour, 2 tablespoons of caster sugar, 2 eggs and 1 lemon, 1 cup of ricotta and some cinnamon. Also I need these materials: 1 ice cream scoop, 1 whisk, some measuring spoons, 1 cup, a bowl, and a bowl times 2. Firstly, you cut a lemon in half. Secondly, you squeeze the lemons as much as you can into the bowl. Then you grab the 2 eggs and crack them into the bowl. Then you whisk it all together. Add a cup of ricotta. Then get the whisk and whisk it all up in the mixture. Then gently add a tablespoon of caster sugar. Then after that, add a cup of self-raising flour. Then we mix it gently with the ice cream spoon. Next, get an adult to help you because we're going to be using half a pan of vegetable oil. Now heat it up to 180 Celsius. Get a tablespoon of caster sugar and tip it into a bowl. And then add some cinnamon into the bowl with it. And then mix it all together. This is what we're going to mix the donuts in. When your oil is hot enough, get your adult to make scoops of the mixture that we just made and to put it in the warm oil. Then fry to 2 to 3 minutes. When you've fried them for 3 to 2 minutes, drain them, then get them and mix them in with the sugar and cinnamon. Then you've made the donuts. Bon appetit!